Situated across 767 square miles in southeastern North Carolina, Onslow County is a global community with more than 190,000 residents from around the world. Onslow County truly has something for everyone. With over 30 miles of beautiful beaches, rivers, and ocean, it offers the ultimate in outdoor coastal recreation and sports. The natural and cultural landscapes vary from one geographic corner of the county to the next, from lush agricultural farmland to charming fishing villages. For convenient personal and business travel, Albert J. Ellis Airport offers multiple flight options, connecting travelers to larger hubs in Atlanta and Charlotte. Onslow County is also home to Marine Corps Base Camp Lejeune, the largest installation on the East Coast. There's never been a better time to experience Onslow County. For more information, go to onslowcountync.gov